Hi guys, and today I'm going to talk about the Google Data Analyst Certificate, Module 1, Week 2. So let's get into it. And so today we're going to talk about Week 2, and so let's get into it. It's all about analytical thinking. Again, a very beginner type friendly week. Jump into it. So this is just a quick overview of week 2. Embracing your data analyst skills, thinking about analytical thinking, thinking about outcomes, and then of course the weekly challenge. I think the best way to describe this week was as a very introductory week. Discovering your data set skills. Let's just jump into it. Okay. And it gives you a lot of definitions about what analytical skills are, what does it mean by, say, context, technical mindset, data design, a lot of terms that they're explaining through these introductory weeks here. And that's all good and nice, right? So hopefully when you go in an interview, you know what you're talking about. But in terms of actually doing the work itself, data analytics with SQL and R program and Python, and with spreadsheets, it doesn't give you much here. And so don't be surprised if you don't find any real substance in terms of data analytics here. They'll probably come into the later modules here. But anyways, just quickly go over this. I'll give you a lot of terms to consider to know what you're talking about in terms of explaining where you're coming from and what you've learned from this certificate course. Of course, practice quizzes, learning logs, which I have not found to be very useful, to be honest. Obviously, get you thinking about data and all that, but at the end of the day, I honestly didn't think this will make that big of a difference in your journey as a data analyst. Analytical thinking. Again, 5 whys of thinking analytically. And of course, ask 5 whys 5 times to reveal the root cause. It's a very general rule of thumb. It doesn't always work like this, but nice to know what to say if they ask you how do you find a root cause, right? It's kind of like your fallback answer. Learning log, again, nice to talk about certain aspects or topics, but overall not that useful. And then we have thinking outcomes. So again, more terms, quartile divides, what does nonprofits look like? They also have these discussion points, discussion forums where you can have discussions with other people, but overall I haven't found this to be that useful in this course. And and of course you have another practice quiz. Practice quizzes are actually pretty good. You can go through feedback. If you get it wrong, they'll actually tell you where to look. You can go back and think through it. So, and of course you have your weekly challenge, which they always show you the honor code just to make sure you're doing your own work. And making sure there's only 3 attempts every 8 hours just to make sure you're not cheating. But overall, I felt week 2 was very introductory. And thanks for watching my video about the Google Data Analyst Certificate, Module 1, Week 2. If you haven't seen my short about changes, click over here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.